Hi guys, this is Codeforces Round 821 and due to the problem is consecutive sum. Let's understand what the problem states. So initially they will give you n elements in an array and they will also give you a number called k. And there are two rules that are defined here. That is, if I mod k is equal to j mod k, then we can simply swap a of I, comma a of j. Simple. I and j are index. A of I and A of j are the corresponding values in that index. Okay, these rules are defined, but what is the output and what is the aim we need to perform? If there are n integers that are defined in the array, we can perform k consecutive elements in the array such that their sum is maximum. And we are free to use these rules, but we should perform this only k at most k times. Okay, maximum we can do k times, or we don't need to perform at all. So let's try to understand this with the help of an example. So this is one example, that is 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 1, 5, 11. So n value is there. For simplicity, let's assume k value is 3. Okay. And what are the rules I told earlier? That is, if I mod k is equal to j mod k, if it is the case, then I am free to swap the elements at a of I and a of j. Okay. And what is our aim? Aim is to maximize consecutive k elements. So these are n array, and next thing is I and j are index. So we have to map this to index, right? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are index. All right. Now next thing is I mod k or j mod k. Index mod k should come. So let's say this is index mod k. What is index mod k? 0 mod 3, 1 mod 3, 2 mod 3, 3 mod 3 is again 0, 4 mod 3 is 1, 5 mod 3 is 2, 6 mod 3 is 0, 1, 2. I hope it's clear till this point. We have just made the array. Now, have you see a pattern? Did you see a pattern? That is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. It's obviously because of the mod. Now they told that I mod k should be equal to j mod k. I and j are different indices. So that means that I mod k is 0 and some j mod k is also 0. If this is the case, then you can swap these two elements. That is 0, 0, 0. You can swap any two elements in this array. You can swap 7 with 2 and 2 with 1, 1 with 7, anything. Or you can swap this index, all the buckets of 1. That is 1 and 8 you can swap, 5 and 1 you can swap, anything you can swap. But at last, after swapping all this, when you take consecutive three elements here, 428 or 142 or 283, the sum should be maximum. So how do we find that? So for that, we first try to classify these numbers according to their indices, I mod k. That is, first is 0, right? Who are the participants in this 0? That is 7, 2, and 1. And who are the participants of first index? That is I mod k, 1, 8, 5. And who are the participants of two index? That is 4, 3, and 11. Now let's go back to the layman terms, very easy terms. I initially told that 0, you can swap any number with any number. So if I swap 7 with any number, what is the maximum value I can take? See, let's take only these three elements. I have fixed to myself that these are the k consecutive elements that will have the maximum value. So 7 should be swapped with which number such that I should get the maximum number. That is 7. I'm not swapping. Now 1. Uh, 1, 8, 5. Which number should I swap so that the sum is maximum? That is 8, right? And which number should I swap so that the sum is maximum? 4, 3, 11. 4, 3, 11 belongs to 2 bucket, and which number? 11. And this is 8. So I can say that now 7, 8, 11 are the highest numbers. And if we consecutively take the sum of it, then we get the answer. So now comes the implementation part. How do we implement? Generally, it's an A problem. We don't see time complexity or space complexity. If it is easy or if it is possible, we just code it. So since you understand that this is a pattern, you see this is a 2D matrix, right? So 0 comes, you append 7, and when you increment the value, it becomes 1. You append 1, increments the value, you become 2, append 4. If then on the next index it becomes 2, 8, like that. You built this index. After this, what you should do? You should sort it row wise. After sorting it, the highest value 127, the highest value is the last number. 158, sorting, highest value is the last number. Similarly, 3, 4, 11, highest value is the last number. Let's see with the help of how did I code. So here you see I created a 2D matrix. J is just a number that is to control the indices, that is 0, 1, 2. So that is first is j value 0, v of 0, I value 0. So that is I value 0 and j value is 0 here. Now j plus plus, it goes to the next value, that is j value becomes 1, j value becomes 2. J value becomes again 0, I value is different. J value is different, and again 0, 1, 2, it's like that. Then I'll just sort it and take the last number. Here it went like 0, and then I value 0 here, I kept 1 again here, 2 here. Not needed, you can just make it simpler because that will be a better value. So that's it. You just have to put it in a 2D matrix, just put it like column wise and sort it row wise and get the highest number, and that's it. Thank you.